Do you ever feel that AI will replace you? Do you ever feel that my job is in threat because of AI? Do you ever feel that AI will replace me in the future, my job in the future? Then, if yes, then this video is for you. And today, this is the exact question we are going to answer in our video. So stay with me till the end of the video. And before we proceed in the video, I would like you all to welcome you in the second episode of Motivation with Bazil, MWB. And let's proceed with the video. So before starting the video, let us start the video, by the way, and let me tell you one thing before starting the video, and let me answer this burning question right at the start of the video, that AI is not going to replace you. AI is not going to replace you, but a person using AI will. Yes. Now, what do I mean with that? What do I mean? So, the thing is that AI directly will not replace you, but yes, the person who is an expert in AI, who knows how to use AI, who knows how to operate AI, that person will definitely replace you. Now, let us first understand this particular thing. Let me first explain you how exactly AI works. Because majority of the people, I would say 99% of the people don't know AI, how exactly AI works, what AI exactly is, and most importantly, how to leverage AI. And I will also cover an important thing in this video: how to use AI ethically and strategically. Now, let me explain you, like giving a real life example. You must have seen Iron Man movie, which came in the year 2008, and you must have seen in that particular movie that the Iron Man, which is Tony Stark, he communicates with Jarvis, which was an AI, which was an artificial intelligence. We witnessed AI revolution back last year in 2023, but we are not actually aware that we saw AI, we got to see AI back in 2008, and that was 15 years ago. Like, we perhaps we have not realized that we have already seen AI in a movie which was Iron Man 15 years ago, which was 2008. So why am I giving this example is, whenever we take the name of the AI, ChatGPT automatically comes in everyone's mind. And the reason behind it is because ChatGPT is leading the AI bandwagon. It is a leader in the AI industry, undoubtedly. So ChatGPT, let me give you an example. ChatGPT is like a real life Jarvis, as good as that. I would like to say that. I would like to present it that way because, like, consider this. It is an expert which knows everything, each and everything, and it is just like a real life version of Jarvis. Now, how do you use ChatGPT? You have to use it in such a way that you are communicating with someone. You are communicating with an expert. You are communicating with an expert who knows everything, each and everything, almost. So you have to communicate it with it in that way. Now, how do you communicate effectively with an AI? How do you communicate ethically and strategically with an AI? So there is something known as writing prompts. So, in a software like C, C++, Java, the Python, so you give commands to the software, you write commands. Similarly, while using an AI model, while communicating with an AI model, you have to write prompts. So that is what the exact meaning of a prompt is, of an AI prompt is. That is what you have to do, and so you must be good at writing prompts. Let me tell you, like, people use ChatGPT, people use AI, and then they use AI themselves, and then they tell their juniors, their employees, like, don't use ChatGPT, don't use AI. Let me tell you a reason behind this. It is because they simply don't know how to write good prompts, how to write creative, how to write effective prompts, well crafted prompts. So this is simply the reason, and because of this reason, they also say to their juniors and their employees, like, don't use ChatGPT, don't use AI. So that is what they tell. Now let me give you my example. I take a good 3 to 5 minutes to write any prompt because I want to generate that kind of result using AI, using ChatGPT, or using any other AI tool for that respect. If I speak about myself, I don't only use ChatGPT, as the ChatGPT is not the only tool which I'm using. I even use Claude. I even use Perplexity. I I have experience using other AI tools as well. So Mid Journey, I don't have any experience because it has a subscription of $8 per month or $10 per month. So, but I have seen the kind of result which Mid Journey generates. When Mid Journey users they give amazing, creative, and effective prompts, I have seen those kind of results which Mid Journey generates. So yes, Mid Journey is also a good as good as ChatGPT when it comes to generating images. So the agenda over here is that you should know how to write a well-crafted prompt so that the result, the response which the AI with ChatGPT generates, it is like accurate, near to accurate response. It is a simple funda that it is a simple equation. The good, the better, the best prompt you write, and the more you craft it, the better the result will be generated by ChatGPT or any other AI tool in that respect. So that is how you leverage AI to its maximum potential and its maximum capabilities. So that is how you leverage it, and that is how you use AI. Now, how to get better at writing prompts? How to write good AI prompts? So you have to mention each and everything. Mention everything you want. Like be as much elaborative. Mention it, write the prompt in as much detail as possible. So that's how you write a good prompt, well crafted prompt. I mean, if you write simple prompt like write a blog for me in 500 words on such and such topic, write an article for me in 1,000 words on such and such topic, and write a social media post for me on such topic in so many words. So these simple prompts won't work, and the more generic prompt you give, the more generic will be the response of ChatGPT or any other AI, and it will be easily people will easily understand that yes, it is AI content, it is AI generated content. They will easily understand. So be as much elaborative as possible, write in as much detail as possible. So that is how you leverage AI, and there are many techniques, many ways to use ChatGPT. And me being a SME and me being a beta tester of ChatGPT can say that, because there are many. The use case of ChatGPT is like you can do n number of things with ChatGPT. Using AI, I was able to invent a blueprint so effective that it helps you in solving not only your personal and professional problems, not only business problems, it even helps you in solving your life problems. Like in life problems, for example, if you are facing financial problem, if you are facing relationships, like if you are in relationship and you are facing problems regarding to that you have health problems, then like such problems are also solved with this blueprint. This blueprint is so effective, the one which I invented with the help of ChatGPT. So it is so effective. And speaking about health and wellness, so I think I read it somewhere that ChatGPT has come up with a dedicated AI for that, which is ChatGPT therapy. So that particular AI, it is focused on health and wellness. So yes, they are like they. If I speak about ChatGPT, they only focus on getting better and better day by day, and they only focus on how they can how they can be 10 steps ahead of their competitors. So if you want to know how to use my blueprint for yourself, if you want to get it implemented for yourself, and let me tell you, this blueprint is tried and tested, and the results are guaranteed, subject to 100% implementation. So if you implement it 100%, then you will surely get the results. So if you want to implement it for yourself, then do get in touch with me. I will mention in the description how you can get in touch with me. So, so by the end of this video, you must have understood, and you must have resolved this misconception. AI is not here to take away your jobs. The human expertise will still be required, because the thing is, AI is also a thing which is invented by a human being. So yes, AI directly will not take away your job, but yes, human expertise will be required to operate AI, to leverage AI, and to use AI. Now, let me come to the ethical and strategic AI which I was speaking about. So, me and my startup content chefs, so we believe in using AI ethically, and we believe in using AI strategically. So, when I say that, so even the blogs which I write for my website, so like uh, I write it like in compliance with the Google's policies on AI content. Google rolled out a set of policies that related to AI content, because it the aim of Google was to take actions against SEO malpractices which were happening, like the unethical use of AI which some people were doing. So that was the aim of Google. So Google has set some guidelines regarding the same. So I adhere to those guidelines. I'm compliant with those, and then I write my content, and then I publish my content. And I have curated a list of 13 AI tools, 13 AI tools which are as good as ChatGPT. And I have mentioned how tools like Midjourney, there is Microsoft Copilot, there is Claude AI, Perplexity AI, there's Google Gemini, how these tools are also as useful as ChatGPT, how these tools can be used. So there is a good blog I have written on that, and I will mention it in the description as well. The link is in the description. So you please go through that blog, and on that blog on my website there are other blogs as well, like how companies are utilizing AI and ChatGPT. There are many big players. There is Google, Amazon, there is Accenture, PwC. So there are many players like this, and many examples are there of how AI and ChatGPT is being utilized. So you will get those blogs on my website. So I will, if you are interested in how AI works, how MNCs are leveraging AI, if you are interested in that, I would request you to go through all those blogs. And if you have any feedback for me, you can tell me. So that was all, and the bottom line I have already explained. Like, human expertise will be required to operate AI. So AI is not here to take away your job or to replace you. And there is one thing I didn't focus on, and that is automation. So AI, what it is doing is it is automating, like small task it is automating. And for example, a task which takes 3 hours normally, AI is doing it in 3 minutes. A task which takes 2 hours, AI is doing in 2 minutes. A task which takes 1 hour, AI is doing it in 1 minute, a minute. So that is how AI is working, like on automation, on autopilot. And that is how AI is helping. It is only helping people. So it is also important for people to understand AI, how exactly AI works, and how to see it as an asset, how to leverage it as an asset, and not to see it as a liability. So that is what the agenda is over here. So if you really liked this video, if you really got value through this video, please like the video, and do let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for me how this series can be made better. And do share this video in your network so that this misconception gets resolved for people. Like, AI is not here to take away your jobs, and they will get an idea through this video. And please do subscribe to the channel. Until then, This is Bazil signing off.